Are you tired of struggling to build profitable funnels in affiliate marketing? Imagine a system that does it all for you. Welcome to the ARM system, a game changer for affiliate marketers seeking fast, scalable results. High-converting funnels are the backbone of any successful affiliate business, guiding customers from interest to purchase seamlessly. Without a strong funnel, potential customers drop off, leaving you with missed opportunities and lost revenue. A funnel is more than just web pages. It's a crafted experience that builds trust and nudges prospects to take action. High-performing funnels address the needs and concerns of buyers at every stage, crucial in a competitive market. Building an effective funnel is no small feat. Many affiliates spend years experimenting with little success. Successful funnels are built on buyer psychology, traffic optimization, and data-driven adjustments. The ARM system simplifies this complexity with pre-made funnels, allowing you to focus on driving traffic and scaling your business. What is the ARM system? It's a powerful tool for affiliates to start earning quickly and efficiently. Leverage Kevin Fahey's expertise with ready-made funnels that have collectively generated over $1,151,900 in sales. Each component of the ARM system is built to drive conversions, from opt-in pages to follow-up email sequences. With upsell opportunities integrated seamlessly, you can maximize revenue per customer effortlessly. The ARM system offers flexibility. Let Kevin's team manage the back end or take control yourself. This versatility makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced marketers. The ARM system is a complete business in a box, offering done-for-you funnels crafted to maximize conversions. It includes mid-ticket offers, providing excellent value to customers and higher commissions for you. Automation is key. The ARM system handles lead capture, follow-up emails, and upsells around the clock. With a proven track record of over 1,751 in sales, the ARM system delivers results. Comprehensive training and support ensure even beginners can hit the ground running with confidence. Unlock the full potential of the ARM system and start generating reliable, sustainable affiliate commissions today. Your success story begins now.